internet tool that you can create a lot of things, presentations, posters, a lot of things. And you can add your own design, elements, text. You can add any color to the page. You can move in elements, so you can create your own presentation or anything. There we go. Here we have a element. You can move things around. And as I said, we can add text. So let's add text. You can add all sorts of fonts, and you can change it right here. So you can add fonts. It can be anything of these. It can be bold, italic, underlined, but you have to select it first. You can make the letters bigger or smaller. So you can move the text also. And you can also add the music to this. So, music. Put that here. Here is music. You can add your own music. And you can create a lot of things. So you can go to the back of the classroom now and create your own poster about spring on Canva. So go now and create whatever you want.